We're going to be doing something different and using some new ingredients, in particular this fruit, the bergamot. And the result is this Bergamot Margarita, which I've been wanting to make for some time, using a bottle of Italicus liquor, which I had sat in my cupboard for a while. The bergamot is a citrus fruit which is native to southern Italy. It's often used in Earl Grey tea, fragrances, snus, and also in flavouring sweets. The best way to describe the taste is it reminds me a bit of a cross between a grapefruit and a lemon, and it has a very floral taste. If you can't get your hands on a bergamot, just substitute it with a white grapefruit or a lemon. One thing to add, there's information out there on the internet claiming the fruit is inedible, which I don't believe in, but I've taken some note that it could be toxic in high doses and increases the skin photosensitivity. But we're not making this with pufferfishes. I'm a gambler, and lastly, I drank this on Saturday and I'm still standing today. The ingredient lineup: tequila, I've gone for the Ariete brand, Italicus, which is a bergamot liqueur, Bergamot Juice, and a bit of simple syrup. Add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of tequila to our shaker. Then we're going to follow up with our Italicus, and we're using 1 ounce of this, that's 30 ml. Then just to help this along a little bit, I'm going to add around 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of the simple syrup. Then lastly, I'm adding 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of bergamot juice. Add ice to our shaker, and then we want to shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, I see other people have made similar drinks on the internet. I've not just seen any trace of people using fresh bergamot. A lot of the time using lime juices, but I'm unsure if this is going to be the world's first or anything like that. Then we want to double strain this into a rocks glass over a big single ice cube. Then garnish with a bergamot slice. The taste test. This is very floral but pleasant. There is some sourness there, you get the agave hit from the tequila, but it's really smooth. I do think the syrup is a must on this one.